Now, let's review today's recipes. First up, vegetarian noodles. Add your favorite vegetables to the rice water. Add the salt equivalent to 2% of the total weight and ferment in the refrigerator for about 1 to 3 weeks. Place chopped fermented vegetables on top of the rice noodles, then add the other toppings. Pour in the marinade, and you're done. Next up, dessert. Add kneading and lukewarm water to the rice koji and mix. Steam for about 20 minutes. Spread the steamed marinade over apples and grapes, then let it rest in the refrigerator for a few days. Arrange it with fresh fruit, and it's done. A dish that showcases new potential for rice. Give it a try.